If you're searching for sell my house fast in Jeffersontown KY, chances are something in life has changed. Maybe you're relocating, dealing with an inherited property, or managing a house that needs repairs. For many homeowners, waiting months for a traditional home sale simply isn't practical. That's where Cash Offer Kentucky provides another option. Instead of listing your home, preparing it for showings, and waiting for buyer financing, some sellers choose to work with cash house buyers who purchase homes directly. The process is simple. First, you share basic information about your Jeffersontown property. Next, you receive a no-obligation cash offer. If you decide it makes sense for your situation, you can choose a closing timeline that works for you. Many homeowners appreciate that they can sell their house as is, without repairs, showings, or open houses. Cash Offer Kentucky works with homeowners throughout Jeffersontown, Louisville, and across Jefferson County who want a simpler way to move forward. If you're exploring options and wondering how to sell your house fast in Jeffersontown, Kentucky, the easiest step is simply learning what your property might be worth. Reach out today and request your no-obligation cash offer.